Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how this app works, what it actually does, and how you can use it properly for security awareness. Once it's installed, open it up. When you open the app, you'll see a loading screen with a progress bar at the bottom. Just let it finish, don't close the app or switch away during this part because it's initializing everything in the background. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Now on this screen, you'll notice multiple modules. There are options like web pen testing, network scanner, vulnerabilities, email tools, social engineering, and more. We're going to focus on this one specific feature. Just tap on it. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Target Profile. Here is where you enter the Instagram username or the profile URL. Go ahead and open your mobile menu and launch your Instagram app. Now, head over to the profile that you actually want to analyze. For this example, I'm just selecting a random profile. Once you're on the profile, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. You'll see a few options pop up from there. Simply tap on Copy Profile URL. Profile link is copied. Go back to your Instagram Security Checker app here. You'll notice a paste button. Just tap on it and it will automatically paste the profile URL that you just copied right into the field. Once everything is ready, go ahead and tap on the Analyze Target button. Now the scanning process will begin. You'll see a new screen showing the scanning status. At the top, it will display the target username, and below that, you'll see a list of tasks being performed. Once the scan is finished, you'll be taken to the results screen. Here, you'll see an overview of the account, things like number of posts, followers, following, and general profile details. Below that, there's usually a security overview section. Alright, so once you reach the results section and tap on Fetch Account Data, this is where things start to look a bit more technical. You'll now see a console-style window appear on the screen. It looks similar to a terminal or command interface, with text being printed in real time. Here you just need to click on Exploitation below. These logs represent the app processing data, loading modules, and running internal checks. You might notice things like repository loading, configuration lines, or system messages. For example, resolving host, fetching profile info, analyzing security, checking privacy settings, enumerating public data, and generating a report. At this stage, just be patient and let it complete. Don't press back, don't close the app, and avoid switching to other apps because it might interrupt the process. Don't worry if it looks confusing, you don't need to understand every line here. This is just the app showing its background activity. At this stage, just let it run. Avoid pressing stop fetching unless you want to cancel the process. Now as more data is processed, the console will continue updating. Right after that, a progress circle will appear again, showing that the final data is being compiled. Once everything is complete, the View Detailed Report button will become available. Go ahead and tap on that. Now this is where you get the full breakdown. On the Detailed Report screen, the information is divided into sections. At the top, you'll see account information, things like username, display name, profile type, and user ID. Below that, there may be a section labeled Contact Information. This can include visible or associated data points, depending on what is publicly accessible or linked. Alright, so here you can see, there's a hidden password field and right next to it, there's a small button. If you tap on it, the password becomes visible instantly. Now, this is exactly why you should never rely on hidden fields for security. Let me show you what I mean. Go ahead and open your mobile menu and launch the Instagram app. Now you already have these credentials. Simply enter the username, then type in the password. And just like that, they're in. You can even verify access by opening the profile, and everything loads normally. And yeah, that's the point. This isn't about hacking, it's about understanding how vulnerabilities work, so you can protect yourself better.